The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video, I'm gonna let you know that how you can do affiliate marketing and able to earn around $65 in each lead or sale you do. So if you want to know more about this, please watch the full video and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Okay, so here we are going to do the affiliate in this site called BlueHost. So BlueHost is a site which provides hosting, domain and VPS type of service to their customers. So you can see that their service is start from $3.95, and if you come down and scroll down, you will see they have 1, 2, 3, 3 more options you can provide to your customer or traffic if you do affiliate. So after it comes down, you will see here's a option in program section. There is called affiliate, so you have to click on here, and now it will redirect you to this affiliate sign up page. So it's a free, you can join, just click on sign up, and after you click on sign up, here you will able to create a free account with information. So you can see that what's it in for you. You can read the instructions if you want how it, or if you want you can just simply skip this. And if you just see here that they are giving you an email address where you can just send them your information what you want. There you can ask them and they will respond to you within 24 hours. Their support team is amazing. Anyway, so after you come over to the affiliate sign up page, here you have to give here the username, because username will appear at the promotion link you got. So give your username, your first name, last name, your password and phone number, or your country address, and then here comes the main part. You have to give here your website URL. So if you don't have any website, so you can just simply create a website in Google site, or you can create in Blogger. If you have a free website in WordPress, you can go with this also. Or if you have a YouTube channel, you can also give it here. To get payment from the site, you have to use PayPal. So they only pay via PayPal. So it's necessary to have a PayPal account. So after you give your all valid information, you have to agree with your terms and condition. Then you have to accept and click on sign up. Now they're gonna give you a confirmation link in your email, so you have to click on that and they will redirect you to this login page. Here you have to give your email and a password to log in. Now here in this site, I was working with this site a couple of months ago and able to earn a bit. So what I was doing to promote the offer, promote the product, I will let you know today at the last of this video. Anyway, so after you click on their this option, you will have, if you are from US or non-US, you have to fill up this form. So after you done this, then you will have to fill up the text form as well. Then after, if you complete all this process, now if you click on links, they will show you your promotional or tracking link you can promote. Now, and if you have your website and you want to show ads in your website, so you can use this banner ads link in your websites to show ads. But here we are going to work with a different method. Anyway, you can see the payouts I got from this website. So it's a genuine website who pays in PayPal. So I got some 3 or 4 sales. Anyway, so how you can promote this? For promoting this, here we are going to work with Quora. So Quora is a question answer question sites, you all know it. So how we can promote with this? Now after you create an account in Quora, now comes here and you have to search with a similar keyword like web host or hosting or domain or VPS. I mean the product you are promoting related to that keywords, you have to type here, and after you type with those keywords, then You have to click on search tab, and you will see there are so many questions people ask related to your keyword or your product. Here you have to filter out the results with day or week or maximum a month, and now you will see the latest questions people ask for. Check the questions which are asked between 1 week to 1 month and having less answers, I mean less than 5 answers and a good amount of views. So for this you have to open any question. You see I have opened a question, and this question get 3 answers, and if we see the views, how it's getting the views, so this getting 415 views, so it's not very big. And if we see the next question, we just open this one, and this got just one answer, and this getting so many views. So if we just answer here, our answer probably got same amount of views this question is getting. So here what we can answer. So for giving answer, you have to maintain a lot of things, but you can't copy and paste from Google what you see in their search, because if you just copy and paste any answer from Google, they most probably they're gonna ban you from commenting this type of answers. So first you have to read the question what it is, and then if you don't know about this, you can search in Google and just get some ideas and write here, or write a unique answer, and here you can do a backlink with your tracking link. And if it's necessary to give a image there, then you can just find out from Google any image and you can use in your answer, so it will increase the view amount of comment. So this way you can promote your affiliate link in Quora. And there is another way you can promote your link in Quora. Let's see. This method is also a free way you can promote your affiliate product Quora, but here we are not going to promote our tracking link directly. Here we are going to use sites.google.com. Sites.google.com allow us to create web pages. So here we will create a web page based on a Quora questions. So you have to search a Quora question related to your product what you are promoting. Create a page based on that question. So just give a title same as the Quora question, and then type here your answers, I mean your article. So how you can write the article? You can just copy and paste any article you got from Google. Just search the similar question in Google, and if you see an article related to that question, you can just copy their content and paste here in your web page, and then find out any loophole, I mean a text or a call to action button where you can paste your tracking link and then publish that web page. You can give their similar domain name related to your question. Most of the time it helps us to get ranked a single web page in Google. So anyway, so after you get done with your web page, now you have to give that web page link in Quora comment. But which Quora comment we should give that link? Let's see. Without filtering the results, here we will choose the top questions which getting most of the views, and then we will see there are a lot of answers already given. So what we're going to do, we will answers on the answers, I mean the top comment. In the top comment we will give answers like this. We will agree with their answer, but they have some error in their answer. We can type comment like this, and for correction we will send them to our web page link to read more of their errors, like this one what I am doing here right now. This person tell that what is the best web page for hosting. So he said that BlueHost, what we are promoting, this is the best for promoting, best for hosting. So now here what I am going to do, I will tell them that as this is top answers, so if we just comment here in his answer, it will also rank up in the top with that answer and get a similar amount of views. Now here I am going to told him that he is right, but sometimes it creates a problem with the publishers or affiliates or the website owners. So I write a full detail on that topic in my web page. So if he or someone interested to correction, so they can just visit out and check out the article. So here I'm going to give the web page link what I just created earlier, and this way my web page will get much more visitors in a quick time. So this is one of the easiest way you can post your affiliate link in the top ranked of Quora questions. Now this goes for Quora question and answer. Now here are some important things you should know while you are giving answers in Quora. Make sure you don't do any spam, or at least do 5 to 10 comments each day, not more than 10 comments. If you do, maybe they're gonna ban your account, so make sure of that. And okay, so this goes for Quora. Now here is another quick way you can promote that offer your YouTube channel. You don't have to create your video, so here you have to search for a similar video related to your product, and then download that Creative Commons video and upload in your channel. And in your video description you have to give the tracking link. If some people interested in that video, they will purchase your product. So this
now you can go to Twitter and search with the keyword related to your video, and then you will see the tweets, latest tweets. Then find out the questions and comment there your YouTube link, like this one, where I can suggest them that if they want they can see this video, and it will helpful for them. Just write this little thing and post them, comment them. You can do the same thing in Facebook as well. Find out the big Facebook page related to your video, and then in their post, comment in their latest post, comment out there your YouTube video, like this one, and this will bring a lot of viewers to your YouTube channel and also in your affiliate product.
Way you will able to earn views in your channel, increase subscribers, and the most important part, you can promote your affiliate link and able to get sales. So this all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or if you have any confusion, you can just ask here in the comment. So thanks.